Fun fact. Na-scam ako. Hindi pa umaabot ng Japan. Na-scam na agad. Late diba? So, pogi ka dyan. Yun lang. Update you later. Bye! On the way to the hotel. Ang ganda ng taxi namin. Yayamanin. Tapos kami lang dalawa. Sponsored by JF. Wow. How do you feel? Umuulan kasi.
Gusto ko na umiga. Hindi ko ma-eyes. I just wanna go to bed.
Same. Hindi kami nakatulog sa flight. Okay, bye. Update you guys later. I'll give you guys a tour. Here's our entrance. Tcha! Lit kaya ng space. Okay lang kaming dalawa lang naman. That's our bathroom. Or shower. This mirror. This is my washing machine. And then that's our bed.
This is where we're gonna make the babies.
At least we have a sofa. Oh, hurry up now. We have an appointment. We have an appointment at 7 in Tokyo Skytree.
Go!
Okay, bye! Hi guys. Dito kami sa Tokyo Skytree. And look at our view.
Wrong timing though.
Wrong timing because like we can't see anything. Oh, wala kaming makita. Dapat may view yan. Ang gusto mong gawin? Mag-wish? Where's the wish? Ano yan?
I don't have coins though.
Yeah, we don't have coins from our thing. Oh, here. You can change it. You wanna try? And then you're gonna stick it here? So pretty.
You want to?
I mean, how much ba? Baka mahal yan.
Says for 100 yen times 5.
Okay, what bills do you have? We can change it.
Or mine.
Because you is the boss.
So,
I forgot his name though. Ano nga pangalan niya?
hindi ko alam. I don't watch the Oh, bili ka na.
Ano mahal dito? 1,200. Guys, kain muna, nagutom. Tokyo Disney Sea.
It's 5:15 in the morning.
And look at the line.
We have to wake up at 3.
We woke up at
Just
3:30.
5:15.
We woke up at 3:30, but we're still jet lagged, so it's fine. But you know, nakaupo lang kami dito. Sila may dala silang mga, ang tawag nito? Plastic. Para upuan. Kami wala. Hindi kami prepared. Tumupo lang kami. Hindi naman madumi yung ground eh. Siguro. Ang goal namin is ride ng park. Yung kay Lantern and Elsa. Look at his outfit. We're matching. See you guys later.
Lamig sa kwet.
Lamig kayo. Bye.
Million tries. Getting inside,
We're
finally.
inside. Tokyo Disney Sea.
Zoom mo yung casa. Can you zoom it?
I don't know. We're in Frozen. Yung castle ni...
Okay. Hindi ako post ka.
Tara, lakad pa. Wow. The music there. Yung kasama ko, puro hanap
Food trip.
kain lang. Pumunta ng Disney para mag-food trip. Lilinya ka, tapos di mo alam anong pagkain yan.
Let me see. Luminya ka, luminya ka.
Let's try it.
Do you want to go there? Because there's a
Seating.
sitting area there. I don't have the QR code. Luggers. How do you zoom?
Check, guys.
Hindi dyan.
Get a headband.
You're gonna get a what?
A headband. This one. It doesn't match my outfit today, right? Because it's blue and then
No, it's fine.
nothing else. Hi guys. Hindi pa siya tapos mag food hunting. Food hunting na naman ulit kami. Look at our view, guys. Mamayang 5 pa yung sasakyan namin. I'll try to get a pass for Peter
Kasi
Pan.
nagkamali yung isa kasi.
Kamali na naman ako today. Araw-araw na lang. Ano ba? Churros? Where? I want churros. Everyone's so cute here though.
Yeah, that's true.
Line up ako dito. I want churros. Look at this, guys. My favorite, Little Mermaid.
Hindi lang. Ako mauna.
Ayoko. Nakakaya. Oh, ang ganda. Ito yung film mo. Popcorn ulit.
No. Yan. Yan yung
White
totoo.
chocolate popcorn.
Yan yung gusto ko.
White chocolate popcorn.
O, doon ka muna. Sumama ka doon sa mga tropa mo.
Ano yan? White
Chocolate.
white chocolate popcorn. Rate it. 10 out of 10. Look at the spot where we're eating. It's so cool. Ta-da! It's Ariel.
I got shrimps. It's 560.
6 out of 10. This is a chocolate macaron. Good. Okay.
Dora.
This is what I have.
Dora.
This is what I bought you last year.
Sino ka dyan? Oh, yun yun.
Sabay alis.
Bili ka. Sa banyo.
Parang gusto ko ng ganito. Pang tali. 1,800 yen. Ano naman eh, Zoom?
Mayamang ka naman eh. Kunin mo na.
Ito or black?
Both.
Isa lang.
Edi white. Or the colored one.
I'm wearing black?
White.
Mas maganda yung white, no? White na. A fit check. Pa-picture po siya. We're inside the train. Going to Disneyland from Disney Sea. Pero hindi naman kami sumasakay, so pagod na kayo paghintay sa mga sakay-sakay. We're not really a fan of waiting.
Don't forget to raise station.
May standby pass kami for Tangled, but like it's at 5 and we wanna go to Borderless, so
Resort Gateway Station. Please
come next time.
JR Waihama Station.
Not for us.
Disney Ambassador Hotel.
Kasi nagkamali ng kanina umaga, so hindi kami naka-standby agad. Okay lang, just come back every time. So, you know. Look at the view, guys.
Nakita mo yung ano? Sinampal ko mo ako.
So pretty. This train is so pretty.
Part 2.
We're in Tokyo Disneyland. I thought you wanna go inside.
Mainit.
Oh.
You should buy one.
I don't want to buy that. It's gonna take up so much space in my luggage. Uy, ayusin mo naman camera mo. Sinong pinipil mo?
Who?
Dumbo. It's so tragic though, like the story.
Dumbo?
Yeah. Here, Hunter ship.
No. I don't need that. I don't need
I'll
that.
take this. Disneyland Part 2.
Rudolph. Disney Castle.
Disney Castle. Hi guys, welcome to my castle. See my castle? I live in Charis.
Pelengero. Oh,
Na ako.
kung fan ka ng Disney, sino yung lalaking yan?
Hindi ko alam.
Bruh, that's Walt Disney.
Look how many people there are here.
Yun yung nag-founder si Walt.
Yung ate ko, mukha siyang model.
The who?
Ayun si ate ko. Round, I don't know with eating. Rate it.
7.
Strawberry creme brulee.
7.
And we have pork roll and orange juice.
Pork rice.
How's it? Right. It's good. Good. It's
Strawberry.
it's good. Maybe 8 out of 10.
Try this one.
Can you hold this? Please. Good. Are you sure? Good. 4 pro. 10 out of 10.